We like to call this section, I am not a doctor. I just play one here on FCP, man. SUNY Downstate here in Flatbush. If you've been tuning into us, we've been letting you know that Governor Kathy Hochul has been working to close the healthcare institution due to their financial woes, but it seems like lawmakers are pushing back. According to Crane's Health Pulse, this is a very notable healthcare article. Members of New York State Senate and Assembly are pressing Governor Kathy Hochul to halt her decision to shutter the financially struggling teaching hospital until government-appointed panel of experts makes formal recommendations.
I am curious to know how this affects us in layman terms, because I felt you gave us the real the medical healthcare version. I'm like, how about us at ground level when looking up? Like, what's really happening behind the scenes as far as this statement goes?
So, I mean, with any potential hospital closure, there's going to be the uproar of the community because you think about travel, you think about the relationships that they have with the clinicians there, with the staff there at that healthcare institution. There's that natural fear of, where do I go now? And if you think about it, if you live here in East Flatbush, it's maybe a 20, maybe half-hour commute. Now, you can go to Kings County, but there's a certain fast track that SUNY Downstate has that's been very beneficial to the community. And then if you think about the fact it's a teaching hospital, where do those students now go? Does Kings County have room to match them, to apply them to the service lines that they're interested in? It becomes a lot of red tape. And you think about these elected officials, their constituents are invested in them protecting this institution. So it's going to be interesting to see where this goes. And I mean, hey, for me personally, I love SUNY Downstate, so I'm all for the challenge.
All for the pushback.
You know what I mean? But understanding the business of it, sticky business, man. Sticky business.
Sticky business, man. It's hard to survive. It's hard to survive in the red. But like, this is more of a greater good kind of choice. So. Right. I don't know who wins when there is a dollar sign attached. So we shall see. But hey, man, kudos to them for pushing back and understanding it is a stress point in the town.